Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 2021 West Henrietta Road in Brighton.
This is a spectacular, picture-perfect ranch home with a rare location bordering University of Rochester park-like land.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Welcome your family and friends with this covered porch leading to the foyer.
This is spectacular one-floor living in mint condition, with a spacious living room with a picture window and beautiful hardwood floors. Open to a white and bright kitchen with birch cabinetry, a tile backsplash, a breakfast bar, and a spacious dining area with great natural light.
The excitement continues in the bedroom wing of this beautiful ranch home, with 3 spacious bedrooms, featuring one of which is a picture window with great natural light, and all with those beautiful dark stained oak floors, plus an updated full bath. This mint property has been freshly painted inside and out, and is turnkey and ready to move in. The quality craftsmanship is evident in the details.
Enjoy this charming brick paver patio overlooking the scenic and level backyard bordering University of Rochester park-like wooded land, plus exceptional storage in the walkout lower level and room for expandability. The options are endless.
This investment-grade property is great to live in or rent. Steps away to the University of Rochester Strong Medical Center and nearby universities and colleges including the U of R, RIT, and Monroe Community College, plus easy access to Route 390, City of Rochester, and all of Monroe County. Make this your next best real estate investment. Close to everything that Brighton, Henrietta, College Town have to offer with great restaurants, shops, and parks. Rob, this is a great place.
Yes, this is College Town, nearby the University of Rochester. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 2021 West Henrietta Road in Brighton.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!